Hey guys, today we'll learn about natural logarithms. When we say natural logarithms, the base is e. So log base e of x is a natural logarithm, which is actually written as ln of x. So when we say ln of x, the base is automatically e. But what is e? E is an irrational number, which is 2.718, so on and so forth. It's an irrational number like pi. Now let's say we have an equation, natural log of a equals b. Now this in exponential form would be e to the power of b, e to the power of b equals a. Or if you are given e to the power of b equals a, you can write that in logarithmic form as natural log of a equals a b. Now let's try to evaluate a few problems. Evaluate number one. Let's say you have natural log of e. What is natural log of e? Now, when we say natural log of e, we are saying e to the power of what gives you an e? The answer is 1. Okay, let's do one more. Natural log of e to the power of 5. Now, we have to think e to the power of what gives you e to the power of 5? The answer is 5. That's one way of doing the problem. Or you can move that 5 in the front or make it a coefficient, and then you know that natural log of e is nothing but 1. 5 times 1 is a 5. So either way. So that's how you will evaluate. And let's see how we can find out the value of e to the power of 3 using a calculator. Okay, here we have our calculator. Let me show you where that e button is. You hit shift and then natural log. So that's your natural log button. That's common logarithm. E is right there. So if we want e to the power of 3, so you have e to the power of 3, that's 20.08. Okay, so it's approximately 20.1. Okay, now we'll try to solve some equations. Natural log of x equals 2. Okay, in order to solve this, you have to change it to exponential form. So you know that the base is e. So you'll say e to the power of 2 or e squared is equal to x, or x is e square, and you can calculate this using your calculator. E to the power of 2 or e squared is 7.389, so approximately 7.4. Okay, let's do one more. natural log of x equals a 10. Again, x is nothing but e to the power of 10. E to the power of 10 is 22,026.5. Okay, now let's say we have natural logarithm of x. Now let's make it natural logarithm of 3x plus 2 equals a 4. Now how do we do this? Same process. Change it to exponential form. You know that the base is e, so you'll say e to the power of 4 is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we need to find out x, so isolate the x. 3x equals e to the power of 4 minus 2. Subtract 2 on both sides. Okay, you get this equation. Now divide by 3, you get e to the power of 4 minus 2 divided by 3. Now you have to give the decimal answer. That's your exact answer, okay? So in order to get the decimal answer, you hit e to the power of 4 minus 2 and then divided by 3. That's 17.5. 17.5. So that's how you can solve logarithmic equations, natural logarithmic equations. Always remember the properties for common logarithms can be used for natural logarithms, and you can simplify, expand natural logarithmic expressions using the properties that we learned in common logarithm.